Good morning everyone, teacher Everson here once again with you, and today a doubt from my student André from São Bernardo do Campo that he had this morning. So what's the difference between for sale and on sale? Which one can we use? Right, so come with me, I'll check it out the examples and the differences. For this class you can search my blogspot. So the address you know, teachereverson.blogspot.com, and here on this menu then you're going to search for simple present, because it's the simple present that we need and that we're going to find in these clues. And here there are examples of how to use the pronoun, how to make questions, and here they are. So questions for shopping. So for sale and on sale, what's the difference? The difference is simple. For sale is when you want to sell something that you have. You want to sell a car, you want to sell a house, a bicycle, whatever, okay? So you just use for sale. My bike is for sale. My pencil is for sale. But how much is this pencil? It's only R$3. But this month I'm going to do a promotional price. Only this month will be for R$2, and in this case it will be on sale. On sale is a promotional item, okay, promotional price, sorry, and then we have a discount and we lower the price. It's often followed by the percentage. This month the pencil is 30% off, for example. Okay. And when we go to a store, often the salesperson, let me just zoom in a little bit. Okay, in a store, the salesperson is going to ask, or actually the client first, how much is that? And the salesperson, which one? Which one? The red one or the yellow one? The yellow one, please. Okay, then you say price. The plural, how much are those? Are those items? How much are those in the plural? Glasses, for example. The red ones or the blue ones? The red ones, they are $100, okay, for example. Right, so these are the common questions that we use when we go shopping. How much is that? Or how much are those? Because they are far in a distance. And for the salesperson, this one, that one, or those here, or these here, okay? And they give the price, okay? So a little hint about shopping. So later I'm gonna show you more examples on how to use it. Thank you very much by now, and I'll see you next time. Bye.